Okay, so how to watch the Fury versus Usyk fight, which is happening very, very soon. What's the best, the fastest, the safest, and cheapest? And is there any free method of doing that? And the answer is yes. So I've created a quick post on my website, which will go through these options, and it'll also give you a free one that you can use from anywhere in the world. As you can see here directly on my website, you have some information about the fight. In fact, do leave me a comment below, letting me know who you think is going to win this one. Personally, I think it's going to be Fury, but let's see. Now we can see underneath that depending on where you are in the world, there are 3 official sources on how you can view this. The first one is paying TNT box office, which is $24.99. Next you have that company there, which is actually $24.95. And lastly, you have DAZN pay-per-view, which is also $24.99. Now they're the ways you can watch this with a subscription. There is a method where you can basically sign up and then you can cancel within the first 7 days. So you can potentially explore that option, which I have actually listed here. Now, the other way you can watch it without actually signing up for anything is to use this method here. Now, clicking on this big red button will actually take you directly to YouTube, and you actually find many live streams on right now where people are currently broadcasting the fight. Obviously with YouTube, as it's a trusted site, you'll know that the stuff on there will be 100% official. You're not going to get any kind of like viruses or any malicious pop-ups where you may see on other free streaming sites. YouTube is definitely trusted. Of course, it is hard to determine exactly which of those links will be official links or third-party links, but the fact that it's on YouTube, you can definitely trust that. And clicking on this link here will automatically open that page for you. And I can now see all of these live streams right now showing the fight. So really the easiest and fastest way on how you can view this fight, absolutely free. I do personally recommend that for streaming certain content. I do always advise using a VPN just to keep your privacy protected, just to ensure that your ISP can't track you. If you are looking for a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks where you can get a super fast VPN, and when I say fast, we can see on my device connected to a VPN server in New York, I'm easily pushing over 400 meg downstream. I mean, when I saw these speeds, I was just so impressed, and this is why I've been recommending Surfshark over the last couple of weeks. It really just seems to be a super fast VPN, has unlimited connections. Doesn't matter if you have 5 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 11 laptops, all of your devices can be covered with a single license. And to get all of that for $1.99 a month, so cheaper than a cup of coffee with 4 months extra free, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.